Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. In Delhi, winter has arrived. Has winter arrived in your area as well? We all know that some plants go in dormancy period during winter. So that's why we need to take some special care for those plants. Okay, now we'll talk about hibiscus's winter plant care. Many have a question like, what should I do with my hibiscus in the winter? Can hibiscus be kept over winter? How do I keep my hibiscus from dying in the winter? What kind of fertilizer do hibiscus need? Okay, keep on watching the video and I will tell you answers to all the questions you have. In Delhi, there is extreme cold as well. Sometimes the temperature goes up to 2 degrees Celsius. And in winter, the maximum days there are no sunlight, almost all day foggy weather. So before winter, my mom is taking care of some plants. But today, we'll be taking care of our hibiscus plant. This is the last week of October and our hibiscus plants are blooming well, but the leaves are starting to fall. If your plant's leaves become yellow and fall, there is nothing to worry about because it's all normal. Every time we need to take care that our pot does not have any weeds. In winter, we need to keep in mind 3 things. First one is watering. Watering is essential for the hibiscus plant all year long. But in winter, your watering schedule frequency needs to decrease. The environment is much drier in the winter, which means that evaporation and transpiration rates are lower than usual. So your plant is not absorbing and losing water as quickly as it used to. So only water when your topsoil is dry to touch. Second thing we need to take care is about the fertilizer. As hibiscus plant goes in dormancy period, so in the winter no need to give any kind of solid fertilizer. Our winter period will go up to February. That's why my mom is giving solid kitchen waste compost to the plant for the last time. After this, my mom will only use some liquid fertilizer. Kitchen waste compost is an organic fertilizer and it releases slowly. So only 1 handful of this kitchen waste compost is enough for the whole winter period. Now the third part is to protect your plant from the too cold weather. And the main thing needed for it is mulching. Mulching is nothing. All you need to do is cover the topsoil with dry leaves, dry grass or paper. Even though the winter is light right now and the too cold winter is very far away, still my mom is giving the mulch. As soon as you give mulch, no weeds will grow on your plant, water requirement will be less and the soil will be warm. Next thing that my mom is, in winter period, she showers all the hibiscus plant. You can shower with plain water, light liquid soap water or bioenzyme. You all know that bioenzyme is not only a fungicide, it is also a plant booster. As in winter, the weather is dry and there is no rain at all, the plant's leaves are always covered with dust. So any kind of shower helps your plant to remove the dust, and removing the dust means doing proper photosynthesis. And for liquid fertilizer, you can give vegetable peel water or rice water weekly. That's all for today. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.